Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not done a video in like 3 weeks, but I have a really good reason why. I'm gonna obviously do the boxycharm video today, as you can tell in the title. Of course I'm going to be doing the base box, but before I start, I do want to tell you guys the reason why I haven't uploaded a video in 3 weeks. Let's just say that I got COVID and it sucked. If you guys are wondering, yes, I am vaccinated. So it sucks that I got it because I was hoping that that would kind of help me at least not. I feel like it did help me get it not as bad. But if you guys want a story time of me getting COVID, you guys can go ahead and just let me know in the comments below. I'm willing to do a video for you guys just in case you guys were wondering how it was to get COVID while you're vaccinated. So I can do that video for you guys if you guys are into it or you guys really want to know. So yeah, I would go more into detail if I do that video, but that's the reason why I haven't filmed or uploaded a video. I feel like it just has been taking me a while to get back to the groove to my things. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this video, you guys. Boxycharm, if you guys don't know, Boxycharm, it is a subscription box that you get monthly. This is a base box, which is $25. They also have the premium box and the luxe box, but I don't get those on the mail. Boxycharm sends these to me, and I do get a link where you guys can go ahead and subscribe there. If you guys are interested in checking out, you can go ahead and check it out in my description box below. I have the link there. I do make a little bit of commission when you do subscribe to that, so it actually does help me out a lot. It's actually really cool that they give me this link. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these out. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is the box right here. I saw in the box, and I don't have any foundations or any of that stuff. I don't think they even give those there, but we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Go in order. I have this list here, so let's go in order. So we're gonna try out the Laura Geller Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette, which is right over here. I love the packaging. First of all, I think it's so pretty and so cute. This is a 12 Shades Endless Ways. This pressed eyeshadow palette features velvety, matte, and shimmering suede finishes to create a perfect looks for day and night. The silky texture blends effortlessly on the lids and delivers comfortable crease-proof color that stays put. Want a smoky eye? Done. How about a soft, natural effect? Done. Achieve a different, easy look for every mood and occasion. This is $45. Now let's see if it's worth $45. So I'm gonna open it up. It actually does have the colors right here, just in case you guys get this in your box. And first of all, I don't know about that. I literally don't know about this packaging. I feel like it's the most basic packaging ever. I don't know if I like this at all. It's just not it's just a basic palette. I don't like that. So okay, so these are very cool tone colors. I feel in my brain these are kind of boring to me. We will make a look out of this somehow. I'm going to attempt that, of course. So we're gonna be playing with this palette right now. Let me just go ahead and close this. So I'm gonna go in with this palette, you guys. I really don't know what I want to do to my eyes. The colors are just a tad bit boring to me. I feel like the colors could be a little bit better, but I think this is really good for any person that's not into makeup crazy like me. So I feel like this is gonna be good for you guys if you guys are into the cool tones. So I'm gonna see what I want to do. So I do want to play with a little bit of shape on my eye. So I'm gonna go in with the dark shade right here. I don't know the name of these because I feel I don't know if these are in order, but I think this one's gonna be natural. No, I think this is natural, and then this is nonchalant. I don't know. I'm honestly confused. So we're gonna go in with the dark shade right here, and I'm going to create a kind of a circle, and then bringing that on top of my crease, and then blending that to the bottom part of my lid here. And I'm using a flat brush here just so we can get a really defined line. I am really loving the way this looks, like the shape of it. I feel like it's really, really good for my type of eye. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So far, the pigment on these shadows, it's like the brown is perfect. I actually really like the way it's working on my eye. Like, it's packing out very, very nicely. Now, I don't know if they are like the same, but we're going to just fix that right now. And we'll see how that goes. So it's looking like this, you guys. I tried fixing it and everything like that. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just basically gonna be blending that, like a neutral shade on my lid, and just kind of blending that with the crease. And we're going to be going in with a little bit of a fluffier kind of flat brush, kind of like that. Like, or are these considered like tapered? I'm not sure, I don't remember. We're gonna go in with this, and we're gonna go in with this brown shade right over here. It's like a cool toned brown, and we're going to be using that. And I'm going to pack it onto my lid, and then just kind of blending that out and see how that works. I mean, that's a really nice color. I feel like you could hardly see it, but it actually blends out very, very nicely. I kind of don't like the way it's looking right over here. So let me go ahead and see if I can do it on this eye and see how that works. Now that I basically put it on my lid, I'm going to go in with this shade right over here, like this burgundy shade. I think it's like a burgundy. And I'm going to be adding that to the outer corner and just blending that in with the darker brown and the nude brown, and just kind of tapping it in and adding it to the outer corner and blending those two shades together. Let me know what you guys think of this palette down below in the comments, because I'm honestly not really a fan of this. I'm not liking the way, like, the palette's not a bad palette, but it's not like my favorite palette, you get me? Like, I've seen better palettes, and I feel like I said this is like more of a palette for those who are not really into like makeup like that are just into like the most basic neutral colors. This is like wedding kind of palette. Does that make sense? Like, it's like a wedding type of palette. You have like those neutral cool tones, and it's just that kind of palette. Honestly, it really is. So I mean, we shall see how the look ends up coming out. But so far, I actually do like the look. It's not a bad look, but I'm making it work somehow. I feel like we added a little bit of shimmer that's going to make it. So I'm going to go in with this shade right over here. And I'm going to just pack that and add it a little bit onto the lid. Not so much, but just enough so I can add a little bit of shimmer. And that looks really nice. Do you guys see that? Like, this is what I mean. Like, this is like a wedding palette, because it gives you like that pop, and I feel like it's just gonna look really, really nice on brides. And it's just, actually, I really like this one. This is really nice. But that's it. Before I move on, I decided that I was gonna add a little bit of the same color of the brown shade to my lower lash line. I feel like it was just gonna complete the look. I don't know what I was thinking of not putting eyeshadow on the bottom of my lid, or the bottom of my lid, my lower lash line. So I'm going to go ahead and just connect it and blend that out. I do want to say the shades do blend very, very nicely. I just feel like the packaging is really bland to me. But other than that, like, this looks really, really nice. You guys see how it works? Like, it just works. It looks nice. So I honestly give this palette like a 7. I want to give it a 7. Knocking it out for the packaging, because I feel like the packaging is bland, but it is pretty compact for makeup artists and anybody that's taking it into their kit. Is perfect. Now the next product that I'm going to be talking about is going to be the Rockin Cosmetics All Night Bender, and it is a mascara. So let me go ahead and get it here. So this is a mascara that they sent over. It is going to be $29. I think that's a really, really expensive mascara, if you ask me. It is expensive, you guys. Like, I cannot. There's affordable mascaras out there, you guys, that you can get that are really, really good. So we're going to see how this works. There is going to be lashes on this box. So I'm going to be putting lashes on. So I'm not really going to focus on my top lashes as much, but we're gonna see how well this works and see. $29. So it looks like the wand looks like this. I don't know if you can see that right there. It looks like that. So we're gonna go ahead and see if this is it, because $29, I can't. It is expensive. No, I mean, it's not bad, but it's like I've used better. Does that make sense? Like $29 is expensive for a mascara. I think $7 is pretty on point. I think Elf Cosmetics has like a $6 one. So as I'm saying, $29 for a mascara, and the packaging is like this. You know, like this is the packaging. Nothing impressive. You get me? Like nothing is impressive. I don't know what's going on. Like it's like, I don't know if it's good for the price. So let's go ahead and try it out in the bottom lashes, because I feel like I like this kind of mascara wand for my lower lashes because it's like tiny, so I can really get in there. You see how that looks right there? I actually like the way it looks on my lower lashes. I feel like it makes it look really nice, so I like that a lot. So that was a mascara, you guys. I give that mascara like a 5, to be honest. So the palette's 7. Palette's not that bad. It's just the packaging. The colors for me are a little bit boring, but they're not bad formula. So now we're gonna go in with the next product, which are the Lava Beauty Flirty Lash Set. The Flirty Lash Set includes a best-selling 3D mink flirty lash, a clear latex free brush on eyelash glue, adhesive, and gold applicator. Now this is a new launch. It is $54. $54 for lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and see. Well, this is the packaging, so you can see how, you know, it comes in a box. It doesn't come like by itself. I mean, I feel like the box is huge. Like I don't need a big lash set like this. It comes with the applicator, that's why, and the lash glue, and it looks like this. The lashes are actually really, really pretty. Now, this is my thing. I'm not really into the mink lashes. I don't know what I feel about it. I just don't use it. But I want to show you guys how it looks, just in case, for those that don't mind, want to try it out. I'm gonna try it out with this applicator. I normally don't use applicators for my own lashes. I'm just used to doing it myself, but we're gonna go ahead and try this out. It's actually really nice. I like that. It looks really, really like high end, and it says Los Angeles right there. There's another thing. The lashes look like this. You guys can see that there. They don't look that very mink to me. Like, you know how sometimes it looks like literally actually hairs? Like, this doesn't look like that. So, I don't know. But it doesn't look bad. So, I'm going to go ahead and try these out. Let me just cut these and I'll be right back. I'm putting the glue on and the band is really thin. I don't know if you guys can see that. I feel like it's harder for me to show you exactly the band. It's like thin. But I don't know what I feel about, like, I don't know. I'm really like skeptical. I'm not used to the lashes lately. I feel like a lot of my lashes look really big to me right now, since I haven't really used them. So we're gonna see. And honestly, the lash glue, I'm mostly scared, but we'll see how that works. I feel like the glue isn't that good. The lash looks really nice. Not gonna say it doesn't. It does. So this is the trouble I'm having with this lashes. Do you guys see how this one actually lifted up very nicely, and this one is just very droopy? Like, I can't get this like to kind of curl a little bit up. Like, I had to really push it up so I can see it curl. Maybe that looks better. Do you guys see how that looks a little bit better? But I don't know. I mean, we just have to wait and see. But that is how the lashes are doing. I'm just gonna continue with the video and see how the lashes fall in place and everything like that. So the next product that we're going to be trying out, well, not trying out, but we're gonna be talking about it because I already have makeup on, but it is going to be this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner, and it looks like this. It is, honestly, I've seen so many people talk about First Aid Beauty and I've not tried it myself, but it is a hydrating toner, which I love. I need hydrating toners because I am really, really dry, if you guys know and see my videos all the time. And I actually like this. So it says that this is an ultra light milky hydrating toner, helps soothe skin with a nourishing blend of oat driven ingredients, propolis, extract honey and hyaluronic acid. Anything that has hyaluronic acid, you guys, if you guys are really dry skin, like, it's going to be good for your skin. So I'm just gonna tell you guys how you apply it. It says, after cleansing skin, apply a cotton pad and swipe over the face and pat directly onto the skin with fingers. So it's gonna be really basic, you guys. I am excited to try it. I will try it, of course. So I will let you guys know my thoughts on my Instagram. If you guys are not following me there, make sure you guys follow me there, or I'll post my thoughts on TikTok or my reels. I'll let you guys know there. And I just want to tell you guys, this is $22. This is actually not that expensive. It's actually really, really nice. So I really like this. So the next product is going to be this. This is the Clara's New York Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid 100 Facial Serum. This is a 90% blend of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, nourishes and moisturizes quenched skin, and naturally fortified with retinol and omegas. Hyaluronic acid provides an anti-aging effects by promoting cell renewal, lightening sunspots and acne scars, and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Vitamin E hydrates while providing anti-aging benefits such as improved cellular strength and elasticity. Used daily for a brighter complexion. So you guys, it looks like this. Let me go ahead and open it up. I'm actually gonna try this because I really do want to try this out. It looks really, really nice. Now the price of this, it is $24.99, and it looks like this. Very, very basic. Not basic, I don't want to say basic. It's not basic, but it is very like facial, very, very like skincare looking. So let me show you guys the packaging. It looks like this. Do you guys see that? So it has all the stuff there. So I really am excited to try this. So if you guys want to see me use this, make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram or TikTok, or I think that's it. Because I think I've been posting a lot of reels on my Instagram. So if anything, I'll be posting my thoughts there if you guys want to know. So that is the end of the video, you guys. Let me know what you guys think of each product in the comments down below. I know some of you guys got the base box, some of you guys got the premium. Let me know which box you guys got. You guys can leave the comments of which products you guys were actually excited to see and excited to get. If you guys got the base box, let me know what you guys got and what you liked and what you didn't like. If you already received your box, I don't know when you guys receive it. So yeah, if you guys want to get your BoxyCharm box, make sure you guys get it, and I have the link in the description box below if you guys want to use that. Remember, you guys get like 5 full-size products for $25, and you can tell you can get $25 worth of stuff. Like, you really can. Like, I actually love the fact that I got these 2 products. The palette, it's not bad. The lashes could be better. I feel like this one's kind of still falling down a little bit. I have to be like pushing it up a bit. But other than that, like, and not a lot of the products were that bad. It's just I was nitpicking a lot of it, but it's not bad. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. And if you guys want my COVID story, just let me know in the comments below and I'll do it for you guys, just in case whoever's wondering. I want to tell you guys my experience. And also, if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, make sure you guys are following me there. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.